Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel and Happy New Year 2021! In today's math tutorial, we will be solving two easy problems. The average of 90 real numbers is 70. When two numbers are removed, namely 28 and 68, find the new average. Now, alam natin sa school natin, maririnig natin yung word na average. Anong average grade mo? Yung mga ganyan bang ano. So, alam niyo na kung anong average. Halimbawa, 1 plus 2 plus 3 divided by, because there are 3 numbers. So, anong average nila? Of course, 3, 4, 5, 6 divided by 3. So, ang average nila is 2. Ganyan. So, yan ang ano natin ngayon, problem solving. Now, it is given here that the average of 90 real numbers is 70. So, kung dalawang numbers are removed, find the new average. So, first, kasi meron na tayong 90 real numbers tapos ang average niya. So, alam natin na ang total numbers divided by how many numbers is equal to the average. So, ito ngayon na, we will let the sum of real numbers to be x, okay? So, the sum of real numbers divided by the 90, because it is 90 real numbers, and the average is given to be 70, so we can solve the sum of real numbers, which is equal to 90 times 17, which is equal to 6,300. So, meron na tayong sum of real numbers. Now, when two numbers are removed, 28 and 68, so, yung 6,300 niya, mabawasan na ng minus 28, minus 68, divided by, ang numbers rin yan, mabawasan ng dalawa, kasi 90 yan, originally, tapos, nabawasan ng dalawang numbers, so it will become 88. So, 90 minus 2 will become 88. So, 6,300 minus 28 minus 60 is equal to 6,204 divided by 88. Now, the new average is 70.5. Another question. Two circles are tangent to a third circle internally and are tangent to each other externally. If the distance between their centers are 10, 7, and 5 respectively, compute the radius of the biggest circle. Now, yung ibig sabihin ng two circle are tangent to the third circle. So, ang dalawang circle tangent to a third circle internally, that means sa loob. So, that means yung malaki dito, yun ang malaking ito yung third circle natin. Tapos yung dalawang medium at saka small, internally, tangent internally, that means tangent dito, it touches at one point, and the other circle at another point, and also tangent to each other externally. That means itong dalawang circle are tangent to each other externally, sa labas. Sa labas nitong dalawa, sa labas nila na circle. That means that yan ang sinasabi nila na externally. So they are a tangent externally. Now, ngayon, merong given dyan na distance from center to center, 10, 7, and 5. So, kung ito ang center ng malaking circle, tapos ang center ng medium na circle, tapos ang center ng maliit na circle, that means, kung i-draw natin yung triangle dyan, makita natin kung ano ang pinaka mahaba. Ito, or ito. So, 10, 7, and 5, that means, kung yung mahaba, ito, clear naman na mas mahaba yan. So, ito ang 10, then ang 7, yung sunod, tapos yung pinaka short distance is 5. So, meron na tayong yan. Ngayon, gagawa tayo, we let R1 is equal to the big circle, the radius. R2 is the radius of the medium circle, and R3 is the radius of the small circle. Ang required natin dito is the radius of the biggest circle, the R1. So, from the sketch, makita natin yan na ang R1 is equal to, see? Pag ilagay natin yan dito, iikot natin R1 dito, papunta dito. It will be 7 plus R3. So, 7 plus R3 yun ang 1. Now, ang R2 naman, kasi, kung yung R2, iikot natin yan dito, i-ano natin yan dito, pareho din yan. So, ang R2 will be equal to 10 minus this R3. Yan ang R2. 10, kasi from here to here is 10 minus R3. So, this is R2. Meron na tayong equation 2. Now, one last equation we can make is R1. Ang R1 din, which is equal to this one is R1, and this one from here until here extended is equal to the same. It is also R1, kasi paikot yan siya, is the same. So, R1 will be equal to 5 plus this one, because this one will ikot din yan, it will be R2. So, 5 plus R2. Yan, pareho yan sila. Pareho yan sila kahit saan ikot. 5 plus R2, so equation 3. Ngayon, sa equation na to, pwede na natin yan i-substitute yung value ng R2. So, 5 plus, yung R2 niya is 10 minus R3. This is the one. Tapos, ang R1 natin, pwede rin natin i-substitute yung first equation, which is equal to 7 plus R3. So, R1 is equal to 7 plus R3 and is equal to this one. 10 plus 5 is 15 minus R3. Therefore, combining like terms, 2R3 therefore is equal to 15 minus 7, which is 8. R3 therefore is equal to 8 divided by 2, which is equal to 4. So, meron na tayong R3. Madali na natin makuha ang R1. R1 therefore is equal to 7. Base dito plus R3. Magkano ang R3 is 4. That means R1 is equal to 11. Yan ang sinusolve natin. Hinahanap natin yung radius of a biggest circle. So, kung iano natin, i-check natin, ang R3 meron na tayong 4. So, R2 is equal to, substituting in this equation, R2 is equal to 10 minus R3, which is equal to 4. R2 therefore is equal to 6. So, R1 is 11, R2 is 6, and R3, which is the smallest one, is equal to 4. Pero ang hinahanap natin dito is the radius of the biggest circle. So, ito ang sagot niyan, yung R1. Yan ang hinahanap natin.